Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My best wishes and congratulations to all those teachers, students and other people present in this event organized by the well-known institution, Real Concept International Institute, Madrasa, School and College. Today I want to discuss about one of the most important topics, that is about learning the Holy Quran. The audience, the Holy Quran is the most valuable book of the world. It has energy, divine inspiration and message for all people from Allah that guides in very aspect of our life, and the best guidance we can find in the Quran, from any trivial method to the important things related to personal, family, society, community or country and worship. The Holy Quran provides us with detailed and proper direction how we should lead a good and happy life of this world and after. That's all for today. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.